Now, speaking of upcoming vehicles, hotly anticipated vehicles, we have a new look, an official look from Ferrari USA on their Instagram account of their upcoming SUV. Somebody said truck over there, but we've already seen some leaked shots. This would be the competitor to the Lamborghini SUV.
Urus?
Yeah. And, these things, it's tough because it's a very divisive thing when these legendary sports car manufacturers make SUVs and people are like, the hell's the matter with you? That's not your cup of tea. You got the F1 going on. You got the history. There you go. Ugh. Not Ferrari hopping onto the crossover SUV craze. Thumbs down. Listen, they got to stay alive over here. And if that's what people are buying, I mean, what do you want them to do? You want the brand to be there, don't you?
I mean, that looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's going to look cool, but it just won't look as cool as a proper Ferrari, obviously, because it's going to be more bulbous as an SUV. But I'm sure it's going to sell a ton because it didn't take long for the Lamborghini SUV to become the best-selling Lamborghini. People want it. People want these really luxury brands, but they apparently don't want to give up the utility. You got Kanye and Kim Kardashian driving around those things. The Lambo ones. Now they got to get this one.
Yeah, with the kids?
Now they got to get that one.
Yeah.
And it might even be nicer.
With the hot red?
But they've admitted it now. Can I just see their caption, by the way? It says, "You've heard the rumors, and we're delighted to confirm they're true. Some of them. All will be revealed later this year. #Ferrari." So you could go camping in that one.
Yeah.
Oh, it would be so dumb to take that camping. I can't even.
Overland?
It's just that I would be so irritated if I was camping in that. I'd be like, there's just rocks flying, and I think that's the other problem is that the SUV represents ruggedness. Like you want all these drain holes and things, and then Ferrari doesn't represent that at all. And so it's just a weird convergence going on there. It's like it's supposed to be this low maintenance, high utility, get the job done type of thing, and yet you have these very fancy versions of it. I don't really care, but.
Yeah, there's a market for everything.
No, I'm fine. I think options is a great thing. And it might bring more people into the brand, to be honest, that otherwise wouldn't have paid any attention to it. So if they put a V12 in there,